Welcome to another video. Keep watching to see how to make this beautiful and simple Noel holiday card with optional rhinestone accents. Here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. The specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The rhinestone accents are of course optional, and I'll show you where you would add those later on in the video. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. I started by drawing out the holly details, and then I finished by drawing in the word Noel. Apologies for the poor quality of the video here, but you can see how I sketched things out. Then once I was happy with the design, I took my brown pen and I traced over the branches, or kind of these line elements here in the design. Then I went in with my green pen and I outlined the leaves. And finally, I used the same color, green pen, to color in all of the leaves. Next, I switched over to my red pen and colored in the berries. And finally, I used a thin black pen. This is the Faber-Castell pen in size F to write out the word Noel. You can leave the card just like this. It looks beautiful the way it is, or if you want to add a little bit of extra sparkle, I had some red rhinestones, and so what I did was I laid them on top of a few of the berries just to give a little bit of extra dimension and sparkle to the card. Then, once I was happy with the layout, I took my favorite fast drying glue and I just simply glued them all on. And once they're all glued on, this rhinestone version of the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this card tutorial. I find that actually adding the rhinestones makes this card extra special, but of course, depending on your preferences, that's entirely optional. Happy holidays and happy crafting. Thanks for watching.